Okay, so this one is a really cute with tassel hanging billabong. What do you call it? A throwover, a shrug. I don't know. It's a maybe. What is it called? Tell me what is it called? I forgot. It's called something, right?
Poncho.
Poncho. Once more. So I am sitting here right in my room with a lot of clothes here right in front of me because I've just come back from Delhi, and of course it goes without saying that I did go to Sarojini Nagar. Woohoo! Yes, so as you guys already know, and thank you so much for the lovely response on my first video that I ever did of the Sarojini Nagar shopping haul. I'm so glad that you guys love the things that I bought, and I am so sure that this time too I will not disappoint you guys. So I'm gonna just straight dig in with all the really cool things that I picked up from Sarojini Nagar this time. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that I want to show you guys that I picked up from Sarojini Nagar is this really cute long slit skirt. This one is striped in black and grey. It looks really hot. I've tried it on and it fits extremely well. I love the slit, love the fabric, and of course I love the price because this was just for 200 rupees, and I liked the skirt and the style so much that I picked up two instead of one. This one again is a striped skirt, but these are slightly thinner stripes than the previous one. This one too has a slit on the side, and it is just for 200 rupees. I mean, you're going to be just taken aback by all the cool things that I'm going to show you because the prices are insane. Alright, the next thing that I picked up and I really liked was this really hot lemon yellow cotton top. I suddenly realized that I just love going bohemian, and I think this top is pretty much, you know, on those lines. I loved it so much. I loved the fabric, the color, and of course this one again is for just 150 rupees only. Okay, next I picked up this really hot jumpsuit. Now this one, I'm not kidding, is a billabong. I mean, yeah, Sarojini Nagar does have all these cool brands and I love it. And this one is a really hot jumpsuit. I'm sure you guys can't see the whole thing here, but it's a tube jumpsuit which has a really sexy back. I absolutely love the back, and I will be doing an OOTD on this, so you all will get to see the entire picture. And this billabong jumpsuit was just for 350 rupees only. Guys, can you beat that? I mean, it's amazing. I love Sarojini Nagar. Alright. Next I picked up is yet another really hot dress, and this one too is a billabong dress. It's a zip dress and I really like the dress. I'm just gonna zip it up for you guys so as you'll understand why I love it so much. What I like about this skirt dress is that it has a really fitted bottom with intricate you know, detailing, and the fabric's really nice. I love the color combination, and moreover, I love the sexy back that it has. It is so hot. I did try this on as well because I could not hold in all my excitement, and topping it all, this one is just for 250 rupees only, and it is a billabong. Total steal, right? Okay, next I picked up is yet another cute cotton top. This one is a really deep blue with white detailing work on it. Again, very bohemian, very chic, and a new style that I am adapting and getting used to and absolutely loving it. This one was just for 120 rupees only, guys. You should go to Sarojini Nagar. It's a total steal. Okay, next I have is this really hot top. This one is an off shoulder. I really like the pattern. I like the work on it. Oops, I just showed you the tangled version of it. I'm just gonna have it straightened up and show you guys again. I love this top. There's a huge story behind it because when I first went to this shop, he was not ready to reduce his price, so I couldn't pick it up. But I went back to the same stall and picked this up for even cheaper than the price that I quoted earlier because he did not remember my face, which is a good thing. So this really cute off-shoulder top I picked up for just 150 rupees only. Love it. Alright, next I have is another cotton black top. I have just realized I have quite a bunch of these kinds because I love it. I think they're so cool to wear during the summer, and especially with the scorching heat in Bombay, you really can't do with heavy fabrics. You'll need something which is light, friendly, body hugging, and yet super gorgeous. So this one again I picked up for just 150 rupees, a total steal. Next, I picked up something that I've been dying to get my hands on. This one is a really cute printed kimono. This one's from Forever 21, and I did see this kimono at Forever 21 on the stalls at the Bombay store. But I thought it was priced at 1100 rupees, and at that point in time I did not want to spend so much. And I think I made an absolutely good decision by not picking it up because I picked the exactly same kimono from Sarojini Nagar for just 200 rupees. I love it. I mean, it's so gorgeous, it's so body hugging and welcoming, and it looks great too. Next, I picked up yet another kimono. I am a huge kimono fan, and I have realized that I absolutely love these. This one is again a really cute kimono which has tassels at the bottom. It looks great, and this one was slightly priced higher than the previous one. This one was for 300 rupees, but I believe it was because of the detailing work in the tassels here, and I love the kimono. Stay tuned onto my blog because I will definitely be doing a lot of outfit posts featuring all these cool things that I picked up from Sarojini Nagar. Okay, next I have is yet another gold and beige shimmery crop top. This one is again from Forever 21, and I really liked the color combination, the whole tiny little shimmer happening over here, and the fact that it's a crop top. I love crop tops. I'm wearing one in fact right now. I think they're super comfortable, and I picked this up for just 150 rupees. I mean, I'm so happy with the steals that I have taken this time at Sarojini Nagar. And last but not the least, I have two very cute things that I picked up for bedtime, which goes without saying, some night clothes. These are these really cute hot pink shorts in cotton. They are very soft, and they come with a singlet, which is again a very nice pink color with some floral detailing. And both of these together, since it's a pair, I picked up for just 150 rupees. Can you beat that? And next I have with me is this really cute kitten top, which is white in color, and this has an animal print bottom with this matching peachy pink, tie up, which matches with the t-shirt. This again was for just 150 rupees only, guys. I mean, can you beat that? If you go anywhere around in Bombay, I'm so sure you're not going to get these prices. So yeah, that's it for now. I did spend a lot, even at Sarojini Nagar, but it was totally worth the price, and they were extremely cheap and affordable. If you guys liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below which one of my favorite products were your favorite products as well. Subscribe to my channel, and be assured that lots more Sarojini Nagar shopping haul videos will be coming your way sooner or later. Bye bye. I forgot to mention these, just a few things that I picked up also from Sarojini Nagar. Okay, so without taking too much of your time, this is again from Billabong, a really hot colored, little bit of peachy orange, and of course a lot of nude and cream poncho that I picked up. This is again from Billabong, and the price is going to take you by an absolute shock because this was just for 200 rupees. Alright, next, because I'm a crazy freak, I picked up two tops of the same kind in different color because I love them so much. I think I'm recently obsessed with these danglers right here. These two tops are from Guess, and they're really nice and cute. Perfect if you want to go the rocker chic way. And I picked up this one as well as this one at a really hot deal. Yeah. This one's a Guess too, for just 300 rupees for both of them. And yeah, I don't see any more clothes lying down around me, so I'm certain that the shopping haul video is done. Come back for lots more. Bye bye, subscribe, and all of that I said before I came to this.